Hi guys, today is May 31st and it is a beautiful day out here in my garden, and I am going to show you guys this hat that is helping me be able to sit out in my garden. I know it's going to be hard for you to see my face, and that is because I am wearing this cap that I purchased on Amazon, and it is keeping the gnats out of my face, out of my ears, out of my nose, out of my mouth. And as a gardener, this is just, you have to have it. You have to have something like this if you're working, especially as for a living in the garden, because otherwise these gnats, they don't care. They do not care if they bug you, if they buzz in your ear. They don't care about any of that. And I can truly say that I can sit here, even though I just don't, I sit, but I have a screen house, so I wouldn't normally just be out here sitting, allowing all these gnats to be all over the place, but I can easily do it without them bothering me, and that's because of this hat. It comes with a drawstring that I'm gonna go inside, because even though I have this hat on, I still don't want to sit with a bunch of gnats flying all over me. I primarily use this hat for in the garden when I'm working, and I can't just not do that. So I have to have something like this. This is a better view of the hat. And like I say, I have a screen house, and if I wanted to come out here and just be in nature, I could do that without the gnats being all over me. But when I am working, I have to have this hat, because the bugs are horrible. They love this weather just as much as we do. And that's one thing I don't miss in the fall and in the winter are the bugs, but they love this weather as well. So anyway, like I say, it comes with a drawstring, and you just, pull it all the way up to your neck. That way they can't go underneath and go up into your face. When you are wanting to go inside, you take the netting and you can roll it up, and there is a flap. You roll this up, and then you just pull this down, and there is a snap. There's snaps all the way around, and you just do that all the way around the hat, and it's secure that way. And because you may not need the net for, it may not be as bad as it is right now. Right now the bugs are just horrendous. So if you are just wanting to wear it that way, and then also there is a drawstring that you can have and wear around your neck, and just, but I just keep that up inside the hat, because I don't need all that on my neck and stuff like that. But this hat, I will share the video that I found this hat on in the link below, and then you can purchase this, I think, in several colors. I think it came in 2 colors, black and this one. This is kind of like a green, dark green. But anyway, I'm fooling with the hat. But I really like it. You can wash it, and it just does the trick when you're out here in the elements with all the rest of the bugs and all that. So I will leave that link and then you can go and check it out yourself. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.